Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk to you about your toilet making a gurgling noise, what the causes could be, and how you can fix it. All right. Gurgling noise can come from a lot of different areas when it comes to a toilet. It's either the water underneath the rim, or it could be the fill valve itself. Many times it has a lot to do with the water quality in your home. So the first place I would start is the under the rim, those little holes. They can become clogged, and if you use a coat hanger that's bent and a little handheld mirror and kind of clean those holes up a little bit, it'll increase the action and not trap any air when you're going to flush the toilet where that gurgling sound can come from. Now, if you've tried that and it's still gurgling, then check the fill valve. Many times you can solve the problem by just articulating the fill valve. There's either a float or an arm. Take a look and see if there's any calcification near any of the points where it seals and turns itself on and off. Articulate that float up and down or the arm and try and loosen things up and see if that helps. If that doesn't help, then you may want to replace that fill valve. And to do so, you're going to shut the water off to the toilet. And when you do so, make sure you flush the toilet first because you want to get as much water out of the tank as possible. You're going to remove the water line, and that fill valve comes through the bottom of the toilet tank. There'll be a nut that you're going to remove, and when you go and remove that fill valve, water will come out of the bottom of the tank. So it's a good idea to have some type of container or shallow pan on the floor to grab that water, and make sure you have a couple of towels around there as well. Once that's out, you can go ahead and take the new fill valve and drop it into the hole, tighten the nut up. Many times you just have to hand tighten it, but you can also use a wrench to give it just a little snug tighten. Don't over tighten it. You don't need to, because the washer that comes with the fill valve is very malleable and it will seal quite well. Then reconnect the water line and connect the fill hose into the overflow pipe and fill it back up and flush the toilet. And there's a good chance by doing that, that toilet no longer gurgles.